Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn the new concept before, after, and between in the math. Okay, before, after, and between. First, you need to understand what is the meaning of before, after, and between. What is the meaning of before, after, and between? See, here are three vegetables. Here are three vegetables: a tomato, a carrot, a lemon. A tomato, a carrot, a lemon. You can see the position of the tomato. Where is tomato? The tomato is before the carrot. The tomato is before the carrot. The lemon is after the carrot. The lemon is after the carrot. The carrot is between the tomato and lemon. The carrot is between the tomato and lemon. Now, let us rearrange the positions of the vegetables. Let us rearrange the position of the vegetables. Okay. Now, the carrot. Where is the carrot? The carrot is placed before the tomato. The carrot is placed before the tomato. Where is the lemon? The lemon is placed after the tomato. The lemon is placed after the tomato. The tomato is between carrot and lemon. Between carrot and lemon. Now, before means in front of. In front of ante mundu. In front of. Before means in front of. After. After means behind ante venakala tarvata. Behind means after means behind. Behind means in Telugu tarvata venakala. Okay, tarvata. Okay, between. Between means middle. Between means middle ante madhyalo. Middle madhyalo. Okay, children. Now we are going to see some more examples. Here, one snowman is there, one bird is there, one girl is there. One snowman is there, one bird is there, one girl is there. See, snowman is standing before the bird. The snowman is, where is snowman, children? Where is snowman? The snowman is standing before the bird. Where is the girl? Where is the girl? The girl is after the bird. The girl is after the bird. The girl is after the bird. Now, where is the bird? The bird is between the snowman and girl. The bird is between the snowman and girl. Now, here some more example. Okay, here one spoon, one pencil, one eraser. One spoon, pencil, eraser. Now, where is the spoon? Tell me, children, where is the spoon? The spoon is before the pencil. The spoon is before the pencil. Where is the eraser? The eraser is after the pencil. After the pencil. Now, the pencil is between the spoon and eraser. The pencil is between the spoon and eraser. Okay, children. Now, let us see the numbers. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children. Now, what is the before number of 3? What is the before number of 3? What is the before number of 3? 3 before 2. What is the after number of the 3? What is the after number of the 3? 3 after 4. What is the between number 2 and 4? 2 కి 4 కి మధ్యలో ఏముంది? 3. 3 కి బిఫోర్ నెంబర్. బిఫోర్ అంటే ముందు. ఏముంది? బిఫోర్ నెంబర్ 2. 3 after 4, like this. 7. What is the before number of 7? Before number. 7 ki before. 7 ki mundu number. Before. What is the number? 6. What is the after 7? After 7, what is the number? 8. What is the between 6 and 8? What is the number of between 6 and 8? What is the number? 7. 6 and 8 in between number is 7. Did you got it, children? అర్థమైందా మీకు? Before means in front. Before means in front of అంటే ముందు. After means behind and behind. After అంటే తరువాత. Behind అంటే వెనుకాల. ఓకే. between అంటే మిడిల్ మధ్యలో. Before ante mundu. Before. Did you got it, children? I hope you all understand this concept. Okay. Thank you.